If you're thinking about buying Jubilee, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know before you make that decision. Whether you're new to the platform or exploring it as a potential solution for your business, this video will give you all the details you won't find in a marketing pitch. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll even tell you how to get a completely free trial of Jubilee through the first link in the description. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what Jubilee does. If you're familiar with other CRM tools or project management platforms, you'll notice that Jubilee stands out in the way it helps streamline business processes, especially for businesses that need something simple yet powerful. While platforms like Salesforce are known for their complexity and steep learning curves, Jubilee takes a different approach, focusing on user-friendliness without sacrificing functionality. The goal is to automate your processes, integrate with your team's workflows, and help you manage customer relationships efficiently, all in one place. Next thing, integration capabilities. One thing that sets Jubilee apart from its competitors is how well it integrates with other tools you're already using. Whether it's connecting with marketing platforms, financial systems, or communication tools like Slack or Zoom, Jubilee makes it easy to sync everything together. Many other CRMs or software solutions have clunky integration processes, which can slow down your workflow. But with Jubilee, it's designed to seamlessly integrate, giving you more time to focus on growth rather than tech headaches. The third thing you need to know is about pricing. Unlike some of the bigger software companies out there, like HubSpot or Zoho, which can hit your wallet hard with high subscription fees, Jubilee offers a more affordable and flexible pricing structure. This makes it a great option for smaller businesses or startups that don't have the budget for enterprise-level software. And yes, you can try it for free. Just click the first link in the description to grab that exclusive offer. Now, let's talk about automation. One of Jubilee's strongest points is its ability to automate key processes, saving your team hours of manual work. From sending follow-up emails to tracking sales leads, Jubilee's automation capabilities rival those of more expensive tools like Monday.com. And what's great is that you don't need to be a tech expert to set up these automations. Jubilee makes it super simple, so you don't need to hire someone to get things rolling. The fifth thing to consider is the customer support. When you run into issues with software, responsive customer support can make all the difference. Many users of major platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot have reported long response times and frustrating experiences with support teams. But with Jubilee, you're getting access to a dedicated team that's available to help you quickly when you need it most. It's something that sets them apart from the competition, especially for businesses looking for reliability and peace of mind. Next up, scalability. Whether you're a small team or scaling up rapidly, Jubilee is designed to grow with you. Unlike other software solutions that struggle to keep up with growing businesses, Jubilee's architecture is built to handle more users, more data, and more integrations without compromising performance. This makes it a solid choice for businesses that plan to expand in the long run. Plus, the platform's flexibility means you can easily add or remove features based on what you need. The seventh and final thing you should know before buying Jubilee is its reporting and analytics features. Many smaller platforms tend to fall short in this area, offering just basic reporting options. However, Jubilee provides robust analytics that helps you track everything from customer interactions to sales trends. These insights help you make data-driven decisions without having to rely on guesswork, which can be a game changer compared to the more basic reporting of other tools. If you're looking for a platform that's user-friendly, affordable, and scalable, Jubilee is worth checking out. And remember, you can try it for free and get some exclusive benefits when you click the first link in the description below. Don't miss out.